My name is Vanessa and I'll be giving you a tour of our Austin campus. As you walk in, you will be greeted by our friendly staff who's available as early as 8 a.m. daily to assist our students and take messages. Come on and let's take a look and see how SCI helps our students with specialized training. Here at SCI, what sets our students apart is the ability to earn skill badges. Once a student earns a skill badge, they get to showcase this onto their resume. Here in Austin, we offer our Business Accounting Specialist program and our Business Administration program. As you can look here, you can see all the opportunities of the different skill badges our students can receive. And employers that hire our graduates know what it takes to have mastered the soft skill that is taught at our facility. So can you see how earning skill badges can help you get noticed when applying for that dream job? All of our medical students learn medical terminology. This is for our students to effectively communicate and understand each other very clear in the medical field, hospital settings, nursing homes, and other facilities. Can you see how this can help you be successful entering the medical field? Here at SCI, we believe in having small classroom settings. This allows our students to get that one-on-one attention so you can be a successful graduate. When considering joining our student body, you're just not a student. You're joining the SCI family, where instructors want our students to succeed and are committed to helping you achieve your dream job. This is one of our medical labs where our students are able to get the hands-on experience from our instructors who have worked in the medical field. Our students can showcase their skill set by successfully withdrawing blood, reading vital signs, performing EKGs, sterilizing equipment, and other administrative duties when out on externship. Austin is a hot spot for IT talent and continues to grow as a tech hub industry. In our Computer Support Specialist program, our students learn the range of knowledge from hardware to network security. Our students love the fact that we prepare them to take 2 certifications before they graduate. Here at SCI, we offer flexible schedules. This allows our students to maintain a job, stay connected with friends and family while pursuing their education. This program is also taught in a live virtual platform. This gives our students the ability to work in the desired place of study. When choosing a school, is it important for you to get the necessary skills for you to learn them in as little time as possible? Here in Austin, we do offer the HVAC program, which allows our students to work in residential and commercial levels. This facility is set up for our students to practice safety skills, utilize hand tools on actual units. Tutoring is available for our students at no additional cost. Here at SCI, we believe our students need that one-on-one attention to build that confidence needed in the real-world industry. Our welding curriculum is NCCER based to help all of our students become a certified welder. Our graduates appreciate their instructors and career service department who jointly become their mentors for professional development. This is our Career Service Department. This is a team that helps secure extern sites for all of our students. They help you with resume writing, interviewing skills, and help establish employer connections. As we conclude this tour, I encourage you to speak to our dedicated financial aid team. They are here to explain all the various financial aid options. Before you go, I'd like to say thank you for watching this virtual tour. Our admissions team is on standby to help you from application to graduation. See you soon!